This is a small crack in my windshield, and in this video I'm going to use this repair kit to try to fix it. Let's see if this thing actually works. So I bought this thing on Amazon. I'll have links in the description below. Let's check out what this consists of. So it's a little bottle with a little cap that looks like this. So apparently you apply this, then you put one of these on top, and then you'll wait 30 minutes and then you use a blade to remove it. Thankfully my crack is very small, but I do want to clean it first. So let's clean this surface. And I actually have two little ones. There's one here and this bigger one right here. Let's take this cap off. Looks like I need a knife to cut this off. So I cut the tip off, looks like this. Now let's see, we try to apply it. Put a tiny little drop here, tiny drop right here. Kind of smear it across. Make sure that it touches all the lines. And then we'll put the plastic film. You use the back side of the blade to kind of spread it out. Definitely still see the crack. It's not disappearing. Definitely still see it. But as long as it doesn't grow, it's the goal. So we'll see. We'll allow it to dry for 30 minutes and see what it looks like afterwards. Okay, moment of truth. It's been more than 30 minutes, been maybe about 40 minutes. Let's rip this off and see what it looks like. So this came off very easily. I do see some residue, so let me scrape it off. I ended up putting a blue tape underneath so you can see the crack better. Should have done that from the beginning. But I don't know, I can't really tell the difference between the crack. The crack actually seems like it's more inside of the glass from the impact of this little hole. So honestly, it doesn't seem like it did anything. So I say this is probably more of a scam than anything else. But unless it works for different types of cracks. My other car has a bigger crack that I can try on another time and see. But for now, this is a waste of money.